Hello everyone, in this video we are looking at a pair of vintage brass school bells. Relatively large size. I will make sure that we put dimensions in listings for each of these. They will be listed separately. This one is a little bit thicker, obviously cast. This one's a little bit thinner. And I don't know if it was turned or what the case was, but you'll notice the difference in the tone. So they're structurally both 100% really heavy duty, really well made school bells. So here's the heavier cast one first. So that one has a really nice ring, really deep tone on that one. So that one's just a little bit tinnier, almost what a cowbell might sound like, I guess, but still really nice. They're both really nice bells and will be an excellent addition to anyone's collection. Thanks for looking.